Gorgeous gems. Let's go over some of these items, especially the ones that you never seen before. Um, this is my flowers that I got a while back in New York City when I was living in New York City, and I was obsessed with peach back then. And I just love this, but I'm going to get rid of all these peach. So I'm trying to do a decor with the stuff that I'm gonna, sell at the yard sale. And as you remember, my teal vase, my candle holders, my little ball. This pillow here, I had it out last year, and I just love the coral with the teal. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And then this one is another one too. These are like ceramic glass flowers, and when I saw them, I had these from New York for many a years, and I just loved them. Like I told you, I was in love with coral. I called it peach at the time. And also this vase, I'm in love with this vase. I don't even know if I want to get rid of it yet, but I'm in love with the details. And then, we got those pillows over there from At Home. Those two coral pillow was from Christmas tree last year. Then the one in the middle is from At Home. And the throw is from Don't Remember. The elephant here is from Christmas tree. Was $9.99. The hand was from, I think it was from either Home Goods or Burlington. This beautiful candle here, I can't wait to see how it's gonna smell. It's peach nectarine, and it did smell good just sniffing it. And this tray here, I think it came from Burlington. If it wasn't Burlington, it was from At Home. This little birdie here, I think this came from Burlington, and it was $6.99. And that's another elephant there. And this chair, as y'all know, came from Facebook Marketplace. I have two of them. I'm going to try to see how I could incorporate both of them in this living room, because I want both of them in this living room. So we're going to see how I incorporate it. Okay? So gorgeous gems, thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you for always giving me the support. Really appreciate.